Welcome to our guide on switching from Android to iPhone in 2025. Today, we'll cover everything you need to make your transition seamless. Wondering why you might want to switch? Let's explore some compelling reasons that make iPhone a worthy choice. Before making the switch, it's essential to prepare your Android device. Start by backing up your data to avoid any loss. Apple's Switch to iOS app simplifies the process. Download it from Google Play to get started on transferring your data. Now, let's transfer your contacts, photos, and messages. Follow the app's prompts for smooth results. Creating your Apple ID and setting up iCloud services is crucial. It allows you to access your data seamlessly across devices. Let's take a moment to explore the key features of the iPhone that set it apart from Android devices. To truly enjoy your new iPhone, consider these tips to optimize your experience and workflow. Switching platforms can have its hiccups. Here are common issues and how to troubleshoot them effectively. Thanks for watching. Switching to iPhone can be a refreshing change, and we hope you found this guide helpful.